Hello, crypto. Hello, guys. How are you all doing? I feel myself awesome because Bitcoin just reached 9,400 during this night. Now it is about 8,900, and I'm really so happy about that because, as you remember, I bought Bitcoin in March. I always hold Bitcoin, but I bought extra Bitcoin, something like 5.5 Bitcoins for price of 5,300 or 5,500. I don't remember exactly. Just take a look on this video. So I'm really in good profit already. And Bitcoin halving is just in 2 weeks. Can you imagine how more can we grow during this time? And I really believe in it that we will have new all-time highs just after halving. And yeah, I spoke with some really notable guys in crypto field like Carl from the Moon, and he said, yeah, that Bitcoin will probably grow up to 200,000. What do you think about that, guys? Because there are so many people who are so optimistic about halving, like I do, but there are some pessimists as well. They are saying that the Bitcoin halving is already included in Bitcoin's price rate at the moment, and we will not see a huge growth. So who is right? What do you think? So yeah, I just wanted to share these ideas with you, to discuss it with you, and yeah, I'm like always, I'm here on BMiner immersion cooling mining farm, and yeah, unfortunately, Bitcoin halving is not so good for miners, but nevertheless, I think Bitcoin growth is much more important thing than the future of miners, because mining will stop once and no more Bitcoins are going to be mined in the future, like in 50 years or something like this. But the most important thing for us is Bitcoin adoption. And as soon as more people use Bitcoin daily, then Bitcoin will grow up. And it is even the most important thing for miners, because Bitcoin miners are also Bitcoin holders. Probably the biggest Bitcoin holders all over the world are Chinese Bitcoin miners. I think it's a widely recognized point of view. So thank you, guys. And I also wanted to share with you, yeah, I also wanted to share with you this nice project of our friends. And take a look at Libonomy. It is a big project on crypto market. I will make short overview of it right now. So let's turn to Libonomy now, guys. Libonomy is the next generation blockchain, and let's explore this project. So one of the most important things behind any IT project is the team. Here you can see the people who built this project, and yeah, now we will see the founder of the project, Fredrik Johansson, who is a widely recognized person in the blockchain industry. And let's turn to this article. It's the article which was published before Bitcoin halving, and yeah, experts here give their opinion on Bitcoin price after halving, and we see Fredrik Johansson among them, and yeah, that really makes sense, and I'm really proud of that he is in this article, and his opinion is shared in Cointelegraph, which is a major media in crypto industry. But let's go back to Libonomy, and yeah, I've just wanted to show you some points from the yellow paper, which is published on their website officially. And yeah, so yeah, guys, there are so many problems in traditional blockchains like Bitcoin's blockchain. For instance, you pay too much for the transactions because yeah, it's many times better than the price of any bank transaction, but nevertheless, we pay too much. In Ethereum network, we pay less, but nevertheless, we still pay. And sometimes we even have our transactions stuck. and our recipient do not receive the transaction, and that makes a big problem of pending transactions. You can read a lot of information about that all over the internet. And POW system is still not so good because we spend so much for electricity, and this is so bad for our nature, and POS system is not so good as well. So guys, very important thing is artificial intelligence. It's really the most progressive and innovative thing right now, and I think that any blockchain of new generation should use it. And Libonomy makes this technology to be the core one in their blockchain. So guys, I would love you to check this overview of Libonomy in this yellow paper. There are so many interesting technical details about this project, but if you are not a super professional in AI or in blockchain coding in IT industry, then just read this article on Markets Insider and on Business Insider, Market Insider site, and check what is told about Libonomy. And there are some news because Libonomy testnet will be issued on 15th of May, very soon, just like halving. So stay in touch, pay attention to the project, and here is the link to the articles I showed you in this video and the link to the website of Libonomy. So click and check this project. It really deserves your attention.